I want to get to a question here. One of our viewers, Marie Bove, what is the main drug of use for overdose, the main age group this affects? I don't know if there's one answer to that, Steve.
Well, I think fentanyl is the word now. We were talking before the show. District attorneys and police forces will tell you drug supply lines, like the rest of our lives, were interrupted. So you have B and C class chemists making a street drug like heroin all the more lethal by sprinkling in analogs of fentanyl, which is 50 times more potent than morphine. So, that has been the direct result. And we're seeing fentanyl not just in opiates, we're seeing it in cocaine. We're seeing it in pressed pills for benzodiazepines, which are the anti-anxiety drugs. Got to remember, a lot of people lost their health insurance being furloughed from jobs. They lost their health insurance. They've gone on the street for what we call self-medication. Linda spoke to it earlier, but make no mistake about it. Despite its legality, alcohol is by far the leading drug of death and related overdose. We call them, alcohol fatalities, but you could die from alcohol-related fatality in car crashes, falling down the stairs, obviously drinking oneself to death. So different drugs have different effects, but this is in fact a perfect storm. And getting back to the stigma of it all, we have to come out of this COVID-19 pandemic with a greater understanding of, here's a big word, epidemiology. We have to understand the disease of addiction, use the science to apply education and prevention, access to treatment, and of course, aftercare as a chronic illness.